Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I received a question. Someone asked how to find Wi-Fi password from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 or your laptop. So select Start, select Settings, go to Network and Internet. Then the next thing to do, you need to select on the network, then select on that particular network Properties. Then you select Show. It will show you Wi-Fi network password. Then you select Show. It will show you the details and also with QR code, which you can scan to connect. So I'm going to recap. So what you need to do is go to the Windows Start, go to Settings, go to Network and Internet. Select Network and Internet. Select the Wi-Fi, the particular network and its properties. On the right side, Show Password. Then you select Show Password. It will show you the network and also the QR code and also the password. So this is how to get a password for your network. Thank you very much indeed. I hope this helped you.